21st century technology and a growing discourse between people of all genders about the issues they face, this so-called movement is riding on a high of mostly young to middle-aged men unable to cope with the fact that they are inherently privileged because of their sex. The men's rights movement is nothing more than a defense mechanism used by white men who want to feel victimized now that their historical position at the top of the patriarchy has been threatened by women who refuse to be complacent with the pressure of their entire lives. Thank you.
Hi. It's cold in here. It's 8 degrees outside.
They locked us out. They wouldn't let us in the school.
They locked us out of the school to start the day off.
They locked you out?
I got
They let us in.
I got a new Vaseline. The weekend was great. I watched Crazy Rich Asians twice. And now I'm reading the books. This one's also really good. Cost $15. This cost $4.
This was $25.
She's rich.
Only on occasions. Want some?
Yeah.
All my document papers. Look at it.
I just got this one, so it's full and fresh. Fun 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 and fresh. This morning it was so cold I couldn't change at my house. Yeah? Yeah. Hey vlog. I didn't say hi yet. I just had a competition this weekend. I didn't do any homework because I'm really tired.
Hannah is a dancing queen.
Where are these
Young
from?
and sweet, but she's not 17 yet. She's just the dancing queen.
I don't know where this vlog is going.
Wyoming isn't a real state. It's a conspiracy. The government created it. Nobody actually lives in Wyoming. The only people that say they're from Wyoming are people that the government has told to tell people that they're from Wyoming. It's not a real state.
Just like birds aren't real. Just like birds aren't real.
What?
Has anybody seen a bird since the government shut down?
I literally saw that.
They have not. So much better.
Whoa, look at you guys.
The other girl makes them so much better. Look at the inside of this. She literally.
Wait, did Arlene do that? That was not Arlene.
Yeah, she's.
What? I mean, we did
I
ask for a
spent
lot
$1 on this.
fun and fresh.
You're gonna die of a heart attack. Cholesterol.
Diabetes.
Okay, diabetic celiac disease.
You don't know why, and you must be living in a box in your grandma's basement. We out here chilling in the nurse's man's on her computer. We're gonna take some naps. Gang, gang, squat, squat.
What'd you say after gang gang? No, what?
Squat, squat.
What's that?
I don't know. It's just like squat, squat.
You know?
Kind of like gang, gang. It's just another slang.
Like, that's such like a weird thing to say. Erin's only been in my vlog like 2 times, and every single time she's just really angry.
I'm just tired. Okay. It's been a long. It's been a long day.
You know, Aaron,
just be really
I
angry.
said I was on a diet.
No, see, like, get out of my face and shove the camera.
Seriously just go, I know I said I'm on Cecilia. Oh my god, you're gonna break the scale.
Don't funk it up. If you're gonna funk it, don't funk it up.
Don't funk it up. If you're gonna funk it, don't funk it up. Don't funk it up. If you're gonna funk it, don't funk it up. Don't funk it up. If you're gonna funk it, don't funk it up. Don't funk it up. If you're gonna funk it,
Don't funk it up. For those of you who don't know me, I put the T in the LGB. Don't worry about what you call me, cause I know who I be. I'm a woman who does drag, but don't confuse me with those hags. Be the best you, and I'll be the best that I can be. Yes, God.
Situation got you feeling down and low. In times like that, you gotta let it go. Got you all uptight, better stay in the fight. Just know everything's gonna be alright. And you can't always count on your friends. Answers are right there within. So be bold, be strong, get your life, go on. Don't let haters dim your light, shine bright.
don't funk it up. If you're gonna funk it, don't funk it up. Don't funk it up. If you're gonna funk it,
Don't funk it up.
don't funk it up. If you're gonna funk it, don't funk it up. Don't funk it up. If you're gonna funk it.
Don't funk it up. Give it everything you got. You rock them things go wrong.
Has anybody seen a bird since the government shut down?
I literally